Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we have something a little bit different, but something I'm so excited for. We have the advent calendar from the brand My Little Box. So they are a French-based subscription service. They do monthly subscription boxes. Also have these gorgeous advent calendars every year. I did get one last year as well, and this one is so gorgeous. It beats last year's, and for me it's so much nicer because it has Russia on it. It has a Moscow, the red square, and it's just absolutely stunning. We'll have a look at the packaging in a moment, but they basically, same as Glossy Box, Birchbox, have 24 items, beauty and skincare and makeup related. I really enjoyed last year's, and I just wanted to show off a different kind of country variation of advent calendar. I live in France, so this is French, so you can't really get this outside of, I believe it's just France and Germany. But if you do live in Europe, if you're like me, an English speaker in a foreign country, and you still love some product, this is something that is quite exceptional. So without further ado, let us dive into this French Christmas advent calendar. Alright, so this calendar, as I mentioned, comes with 24 items, so we don't unfortunately get the 25th Christmas day here. However, it is worth €55. Well, it costs €55, it's worth a lot more, which I think is quite a nice price range, especially when you consider Glossy Box being in the $85-95 range. We're gonna just dive right in. So it is boxes that you break, kind of like the chocolate standard advent calendar. Number one's right here. Let's get going. Ooh, okay, so the first thing we have, there's no booklet that comes with this, so bear with me because some products might be in French, so I'll have to do my little translation. But this is by the brand Origins, which is a very great and well-known brand, and this is the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and glacier water. Got a deluxe little mini here, it's 15 mils. I love Origins. This smells amazing and a really nice size to try something, especially the overnight masks. You don't need that much, and even this will last a while, so that's a great little start. Two is right here in this little corner. Ooh, okay. We have another skincare product. This is the Beautiful Water Cream for all skin by Uriage. So we got a 15 milliliter moisturizer for all skin. That's nice. I haven't heard of this brand. They also, so you know, I'm assuming it will be in this box, My Little Box as a company for their monthly subscriptions. They have their own brand for beauty, and they also do kind of jewelry, little pouches, things like that, accessories. So I'm anticipating receiving some of that here, and also really nice. Ooh, cute. Okay, speak of the devil, I think this is exactly what I was describing. So they call them choo-choo here, or chou-chou, but this is, I think it's a play on word of like the train going choo-choo and chou-chou in French. So this is a cute little burgundy scrunchie. It's kind of like a bit of a chiffon satin mix, and that's a really lovely color for Christmas time. I really like it. It is small, it is a bit tight, but a cute little accessory. I'm wearing a giant scrunchie right now, if you can see. This is by XXL Scrunchies. I'll link them down below. They're amazing. They're a small business based in Canada. But this is really cute. Oh, we got a big item. This is by the brand Topicrem, and it is the Ultra Hydrating Shimmering, or sorry, they have the English on here, I can just read that, I'm not translating. Ultra Moisturizing Sparkling Body. So it's a lotion that brightens, absorbed instantly, golden sparkles in the product that sheen. So you get that lovely sweet glow. It's made in France. Again, never heard of this brand, but 75 mils, that's a full-size product. That's great. Ooh, oh. That started promising, and then I got a little bummed, although it is useful. We get a nail cube, so the four-sided ones with the file, the buff, the polish, and the shine. So you start on one, buff your nails out, and then eventually you get to number 4, which is a shine, which makes your nails nice and shiny and even for the application of nail polish. It's a bit of a meh for me. I already have one. I can always use another one because mine's kind of dying, but this, like the font, this is a cheap product. I imagine it took a few cents to make, so it's a little bit of a bummer. Nothing I'm blown away with so far in this calendar, but we've got plenty of days left, so let's keep our fingers crossed. Here we have a cute little box. This is Girl by Rochas Paris. Spray Good, Feel Good, and it's a little perfume. That's really cute. I like these kind of deluxe minis. It's not just that like 2 ml little spray. This is so cute. This is like a perfume for a Barbie. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, I think I like that. It's quite fresh. I'd say this is more of a spring scent. I do really like it, but it's not really giving me winter vibes, but it's not like too floral either. That's really cute. It's a nice little box. I like that it's kind of a fully realized mini, but again, 4.5 mils, really, really small. I'm waiting for something a bit more pizzazzy to come along. Oh, we're getting a little prepackaged box. Let's see what that is. Oh. Okay, I regret currently saying how great this calendar is because this year it's not so great. By the brand My Little Box, we get a pencil sharpener or beauty pencil sharpener, and it does have 2 sides on it, so one for the small, one for the chubby pencils, but this literally looks and feels so cheap. Like I understand it doesn't have to be the most expensive, but this looks cheaper than dollar store. Like it's so flimsy and meh, like it's so cheap looking. I'm so disappointed right now. Okay, let's not cry yet, although I feel like crying already. Okay, it's a big one. Maybe it'll be good. So this again is by the brand My Little Box. So their skincare / beauty line is My Little Beauty, and here we have the Funky Fresh Gel. I'm assuming this is a body wash, or maybe it's just a cream. No, it's just a body cream. Listen, it's a nice size. I like the scent. The packaging is really cute. We got 100 mils, biggest product we've gotten so far. But again, it's their brand, so it's not like Chanel. Not that I was expecting Chanel here. So cute, an improvement for sure from the last couple, but all right, I'm not crazy about body lotion, so it's nice. It's okay. Uh-oh, we got another My Little Box. Like, oopsie. Okay, so it looks like we got an eyelash curler. Yeah, we got an eyelash curler by the brand My Little Box. You know what, honestly, I'm okay with that. I have my eyelash curler, but it's like, it needs to be thrown away. It's really, really old. It is firm. It feels a little bit flimsy. I'm not gonna lie about that, but cute. Oh, okay. Not that it's bad, but I got almost the exact same thing in a glossy box or birch box last month in October. This is by the brand Saeve. I'm assuming that's how it's pronounced. Saeve Paris. It's a French brand, and it's an anti-imperfection purifying botanical serum. So an eye serum. That's really nice. I wish they gave us a booklet so we'd kind of know the pricing. Eye serums are always good. I like skincare, and I'm not too picky with which one I use, so I'll use that. 11. Another My Little Box. They're really pushing their own brand this year. Clean Team. Okay, so it looks like, all right, not so bad. So we get one of those scrubbies, the silicone scrubbies to wash your brushes. Now, I already have something like this, a few. This feels so weird. Could be a beauty blender. So I'm not crazed about it. Again, it feels like even their products, like their branded products this year, feel a little bit cheaper. So I'll try to gift that to somebody if somebody needs it, but it's a bit meh for me. 12, don't let me down. Okay. Where's all the makeup? Where's the makeup? This is by Aveda. So Aveda is obviously a very well-known brand, very great. This is the Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment, and we get a deluxe mini sample size, 25 mils. I'll use it, but that's like a one-time use for me. So, okay. Moving on. We have another My Little Box. This one's a cute little packaging. It has the little string. I'm not going to read the box. Let me be surprised a little bit longer. Oh, well, you know what? That's clever, actually. We get a little mini LED, like fairy light wire. How long is it? Does it say? Okay, so it's 2 meters of wire and then 45 centimeters of cable. That's actually really clever and cute and unique. So I'm happy with that one. For sure, best My Little Box item so far. Okay, 14's right in the dead center of the cathedral. Hopefully I don't destroy it too much. Okay. This is cute. So this is by Rochas and Gallet, a Parisian brand again, and this is a hand and nail cream. nourishing and protecting with shea butter and lemon extract. That's really cute. I just got the really big Teology one from the Glossy Box calendar, so I'm using that instead. So I'll probably gift this, but this is a really nice packaging. It looks a bit chic, and I think as a gift it'll be nice because it's like French. So yeah, I'll probably gift that. Okay, 15's over here. It's a little guy. Oh, okay. Finally, we're getting something a little unique. So we got this little hair claw hair clip. It's a little bit transparent. I might blend in with my hair. I think it'll be really pretty with dark hair. Again, like, yeah, it's metal, but it feels kind of cheap. But I'm sure it'd be quite cute. Yeah, it's not giant, so if you have a bit thicker hair, this is probably for like a half up to kind of situation, but cute. I absolutely butchered number 16. Okay, so this is by the brand Garancia. It's a really famous, popular French brand. I've used a lot of their items. They're truly really good. Ooh, the sun decided to come out and grace us with its presence. And this is the New Skin Micro Peeling 30-second kind of foam. So basically you put on your face every day in the morning and it makes your skin look better. So that's fun. I really like this brand, so I'm happy there. 17. We get a pouch. Oh, there's something inside the pouch. So it's a little burgundy pouch that matches the scrunchie. Oh, okay, cool. This is one of those, what are they called? Halo, is it called Halo? The kind of microfiber reusable face cloth. This one's really nice. If you can kind of pick it up, it has the little bubbles on it. So it's very, very soft. I'm sure it'll scrub away the skin. Not the skin, the makeup from the skin. And it's quite cute. We do only get one, but we get a cute little pouch with it. Not that I would want to put a wet cotton pad back in, but that's nice. I like that. 18. It's interesting to see which brands are in here sometimes, because especially between other subscription boxes or calendars, you see the same ones. So this is the brand Babor, and it's the Cleanse and Peel Mask. And it's for all skin types, 50 milliliters, that's a good size. This is, I'd say, a semi-luxurious brand. We got something by Babor, the little ampules serum in the Glossy Box calendar. This is what it looks like. It's very, again, chic and clean, and it looks really lovely. I'm sure that's worth probably about 30 euro, probably. So far, I would say likely the most expensive product we've received. And then, it's another one. Oh. Okay, that's actually really cute. I won't be mad about that one. So here we have a little loose leaf teaspoon, and it's a heart. And it just locks back into the actual stem of the spoon here. You got your little heart on top. That's actually really cute. I really like that. This is what I meant when last year I said they had some unique items, even through their brand. And I love tea, so that's gonna be used regularly, and I'm very happy with that. 20. Oh. It's hard to take out circular items. Again, another brand we also got recently between Glossy Box and Birchbox. This is the Kerastace. Kerastace. So it's a fiber quality renewal hair mask for very damaged, overprocessed, thick hair. Now my hair might not be the thickest, but it definitely can use some love. It smells very salon-like. I'm happy to use that. Why not? I always like hair masks. Oh. This is so funny. Again, the Rouge Francais. This was in Blissum last month. I got the lip oil, but it was a choice between the lip oil and this. No, it was a lip color or lip oil, and I got the oil. But this is a blush, and it's in the shade Nefertiti, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous pink. Is this the first makeup item? That's so sad to me. This is the first makeup item on day 21, and I love makeup. Like, it's not balanced. I really like that, but I'll either gift that or put it in a giveaway. It's a bit too pink for my day-to-day use, and I have something a bit similar, but really nice to finally have some makeup. Okay, 22, we got Ole Henrikson. This is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. Now, I've heard a lot about this, and I'm actually quite eager to try it, so I'm really excited about that. I really love banana in hair care and skincare. It's such a cute little mini bottle. Again, I feel like it's for a Barbie, but like, you know, those bigger size Barbies and Bratz dolls that they had. Bratz dolls, I can't speak. But yeah, I'm actually quite happy there. Okay, number 23, we get a brush from my little box. Now, the plastic kind of container slipped on mine, so one of my brushes is bent. It doesn't feel the softest, it feels quite synthetic. So it's a double-ended brush with a bit of a pencil point and a bit more of a flat brush here, but like I mentioned, it's already a bit bent and it just feels really cheap. Yay! And last, drum roll, possibly least if it's gonna be anything like the rest of the calendar, we got day number 24. Let's see how disappointed we'll be. We get a MAC matte lipstick. This is in the shade D for Danger, full size, so that's worth about what, €20, so I guess that's almost half the no wonder the calendar was quite cheap this year. I thought it was quite cheap. So I do love matte lipsticks. This is, again, yeah, D for Danger, number 630, and it's this kind of MAC lipstick, smells so good, wine Bordeaux kind of color. I'm not going to swatch it yet. I'm not sure if I will keep it. This is definitely a lovely last day, but don't think it's enough to redeem the calendar. So let's dive into my final thoughts. Okay, so what do I think about this advent calendar? I'm gonna be very, very frank with you. I'm kind of shocked and really disappointed in this. Now, last year, sincerely, maybe the price was more. I'm having a hard time recalling. There was like product in last year's. We got makeup, we got like hair accessories, we got jewelry, we got a nice, really lovely variety of stuff. I remember getting bracelets. I remember like it just being a really well-rounded, lovely calendar that I was so excited about, excited to open. I think we got like a Benefit mascara in there as well, but it was just really great. And this is trash. Oh my gosh, I am so upset with this. Knowing the contents, I would never have spent the €55 that I did on it. I just don't care about any of these products. Like usually, at least in a box, like, or especially an advent calendar, there might be a handful, like at least 5 out of 24 products that I'm like, this is great, I love it, I'm gonna use it. But I just sincerely don't care about any of these. Like the MAC lipstick, that's great, the color fits with Christmas. Honestly, like the best part of this calendar is the design. My Russian bias aside, it's just an absolutely gorgeous, stunning calendar and quite unique. It's a beautiful box, but everything else is so meh. And the worst part is, as I said, last year they had their own brand of things in there, but they were nice. They were really nice. The quality here is trash. The best one probably for me is the teaspoon, because I really like that, and maybe the scrunchie, but even the scrunchie feels a bit like I can get it on Amazon for $1. Do you know what I mean? Unfortunately, I struck out this one. Unless something drastically changes, I will not be repurchasing this, unfortunately. It's just, yeah, just heartbreaking compared to last year. I really wanted to be like, wow, French advent calendar, and I wish I didn't get it now, but there we go. Can't win them all, can we? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you, especially to watch me suffer and cry over my lost money. The shame. I'm so bummed! Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please do leave it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm really hoping to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please help me be a part of that. Even if you don't watch all of my videos, just subscribe, please. You can also follow me on social media at Slavic Chic. That is my Instagram, and I do have a TikTok that I don't frequent too often because I'm a bit too old, but I'm gonna try. And then I also do streaming on Twitch, which is Slavic Chic Gaming, so check that out also if you are interested in gaming a little bit. I might have some more curated content like that on this channel also. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much again, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!